These are some of today's most in-demand denim styles. At first glance, they may look completely different, but the real transformation lies in precise, measurable changes. By analyzing these styles, we can identify the key technical variations that define each fit. Most of the changes happen at the knee, leg opening, inseam length, and rise. Now let's see how these styles are created using a single master block from the TUKA web library in TUKAcad. This straight-fit jeans block is already fully engineered and graded. To convert it into a slim-fit jean, we simply reduce the knee and leg opening measurements. With real-time 2D and 3D synchronization, every pattern change is instantly visualized in TUKA3D. This allows us to analyze the final look as we design. Now let's create a relaxed fit. By following this streamlined process, we can quickly develop a wide range of styles from the same master block. Moving on to boot cut. All these fits and more, created in a fraction of the time. One block, endless possibilities. This is the power of TUKAcad and engineered master blocks, where speed meets precision and creativity scales effortlessly.